What's going on, guys? It is our first little part of the rally today. On the way down to Pittsburgh. Got me and Ryan in here chilling. Got ourselves some energy drinks, and got about 4 hours till we're down there. We're meeting everyone at the track, the drag strip Keystone Raceway Park. So we'll catch up there.
A few moments later.
Currently on the side of the road. As you might be able to see, the whole inside of my tire has exploded. So we're screwed on that one again. Luckily,
just living life, baby.
We've got a service truck with us. We've got a tow truck on the way, and we found tires at a shop about 25 minutes from here. And yeah, we're kind of close to the hotel, so we'll see what happens. But every time I drive this car in a rally, something bad happens.
So what you do to prevent this is you don't buy a BMW.
Or have tilty wheels. Oh, here we go. All the way freaking around. Okay, guys, so at this point in time, you've seen that my tire has completely ruptured. We were going about 80 miles an hour on the freeway. We were less than an hour from the track where we were going to meet up with everybody, and that's what I was hoping to have most of this video be. But we ran into some obvious problems and then had to have the car towed on a flatbed to a tire shop. Once we were at the tire shop, they had tires that would work, but they didn't want to put my car on the lift. They didn't want to be liable for jacking up my car or anything. So I said, screw it, give me your floor jack, give me some wood blocks. I took my own wheels off. They mounted up the new tires. I bolted them back up, torqued them all down, did all of that. Luckily, that went really quick. And then from that point on, we were about 20 minutes from the hotel. So we decided to just call and go to the hotel. We were tired, and our 4.5-hour trip turned into about 6 hours, so it wasn't the most fun time. Luckily, my buddy Mel captured some footage throughout the day, so I'm going to show you some stuff that Mel caught, and then I'll catch up with you right after that.
Hello.
Hi, my name's Mel.
What's up, Mel? I'm
John. Excellent.
Let's rip this thing.
We're gonna rip it. Mostly.
What the heck are they doing?
Not all the way, because it's not ours. Pretty exciting though. Getting into that Mclaren action. Holy shit. It's got like buttons.
9. I can't even count that high.
Gary put it in. He put it in the safe for somebody who doesn't own or driven the car mode.
I put it in neutral for now.
We're doing that. Yeah, I told him he's got it in safe mode for us. We got safe mode because he hasn't driven it and I have never even ridden in one. So this is new to both of us. I feel like it's going to be an amazing experience. Looking forward. What are they doing? They're in the way. They need to get up out of there so we can go and see what this is all about. And here it goes. I'm stoked.
Stoked.
Dude. Okay.
Mel and John having a fun.
Thanks, Gary.
Thanks,
You
Gary.
don't know how much this means to me.
Fastest car I've ever run in my life.
Yes, agreed. That's the 2 for okay. He's up on that. Easy does it.
Fit my little
Just a little bit. So, but these fuckers don't stand a chance. Oh, too far. Too far. Oh shit! Reverse. Back up a ways though. Back up a ways. Go ways. Go back 3 feet. 3 feet. 3 feet. There you go. Easy. Let's see. A little more. Get that light. Okay.
More?
A little bit more, yeah. Yeah, a little bit more. Okay, when that last yellow bulb goes. Ah! Oh shit. That's good time. Oh, holy cow. Yes! John! Woo! Wow, yeah, man! I love the look on your face, the concentration. Oh man! Well, this fucking thing gets out. Wow! Okay, yeah! that. Man, that's good.
That's a stack.
Wow! Oh my goodness, Gary! MVP talking about I'm remembering this rally.
Fuck.
Yes, sir.
You've been driving nuts.
Yeah, I don't
That's
think
easy. You just push the gas.
You just push the gas
I
and
kind
go.
of let off the gas before the line.
Yeah, that's okay.
I kind of pushed out.
Yeah, no, that's okay. This is not. Hello. We did great. Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
Hello. Such a nice lady. How do we do? We're number 68. What kind of times do we get? I'll put it on the thing.
She gave me 28 and 63. What number? Oh, that 2?
68.
We can't read because it's backwards. There's a 2 from the outside.
28. I'd say exactly. I said 68. It's not 68, folks. We got a 28. Let's see if somehow I can get this thing to
Left lane.
look at that. I'm holding it as still as I can. Let's see. How do we do? Reaction time, 0.7983.
That's good, right?
Yeah, yes, we're doing all right. 128 mile per hour. Oh my gosh, an 11.85. I've never run an 11.85.
Woo!
John, thank you, brother.
Man.
Under 12 seconds.
All right, here, slap hands.
Oh my goodness. That was great. So much fun to be had there. Wow.
Let's do it again.
That was great. Oh, excellent. Yes, well, here's your time slip. I'll let you hold on to that. You got to run that. I paused it. I'll take a picture when we're done. Let's see. There. Okay, what's next?
We hit.
We got a Mclaren tutorial going on, folks.
Hit that button there.
We got the engine start.
Take parking brake out. You got foot on brake.
Put on brake. Push down for parking brake.
And
we're on D for drive.
D for drive.
Okay. Foot off. It idles. Okay. Works like a normal car for the most part. I don't know.
Normal car.
Normal car so
I
far.
go around that guy.
This way?
I don't care.
We're last time we just weaseled up here because they totally think it's you, and you can do anything then, so no one knows. All right. Thanks, Gary.
And this is me.
And this is Gary. This is the other Gary. We'll weasel up here and see what happens. Thank you. Okay, I know. We'll point at this guy's just to let us go. At some point, he'll let us go through here. I know. Dude, what? We just talked about this. Oh my goodness.
Hey Mel,
Yes, ma'am.
so much
How'd you
fun.
land this?
I don't know.
We traded.
We traded. He's gonna run the Alante.
You got a new car, Gary.
He's gonna run the Alante. That would be good for us to do. Be good for us to do. A little bit. I'm a little nervous.
Is that the conditions, Gary?
I would have to trade in all of my Alantes to get it fixed. So that's what has me worried the most. So that's what has me worried. I don't want to have to let those go. But oh my gosh. Well, we're videoing. We're gonna have it all. Oh man. Hopefully this guy get this guy's attention so we can just weasel up here next dish. Hopefully, maybe run these guys. We're totally. There we go. I think he got the program. Sort of next dish. Oh, evil toddler time. You know, like, oh my gosh. Yeah, that's crazy. All right, and it's gonna be just normal. We're applying.
Yep.
Left lane.
It's either saying left lane or we're losers.
We're losers. Yeah. Okay. I hope it just means left lane.
Windows
up.
Pull it up.
Pull it up, okay. And then, should I expect any like wheel spin to pedal, or really is it just gonna drive?
Just drive.
Just gonna drive, okay. Perfect. Yeah. Oh no, we went 11 something. So officially never run that fast before, so it was nuts. I thanked him for that. Oh my gosh. All right,
Here we are.
Here we are. Let's ease on up here, catch these bulbs, see if this guy's got anything for us. Hope not. All right, Gary. All right, easy does it. He went too far. Where's he going?
You got. Keep her going.
A little more. Okay.
A little more.
Now we're just gonna get that next one.
Yep.
Got it. Okay. I don't have room for both feet.
You're good. Just stomp
Yeah,
on the
just
gas.
Stomp on the gas when it goes. Let's see. We don't want a red light. We're ready. All right, you get in there too. Get us both in there. Yeah, shit. Okay.
Just staring at them.
Let's go. Oh, shit. Oh, wow. Shit. Yeah, man. This is ridiculous. Good times. Oh, wow. Yeah, man. Yeah, literally, hair is standing up all over my body. We're not going to show you anywhere that's clothed, but I'm just taking my word for it. Goosebumps. Look at goosebumps everywhere. Thanks, Gary. My God. Whoa. Oh.
There we have it.
Dude, thank you. Fantastic. We'll get to the lady with the slip. I enjoy talking to this lady. She's a nice lady. She has the slips for us. We thank her for standing out here where she can't see what's going on, can only hear it. But we had, thank you, Gary, for fantastic, a phenomenal experience. That's Rally Kings. It's family, folks.
It is?
Man, it's family, and that I will remember this one. If not a lot, it'll be forever. I will be talking about that for a long time.
There's your friend?
Yeah, this is the lady here. I always stop and have a conversation with her.
Yeah,
Thank her,
well.
you know, right?
She's got her own tent.
She's got her own tent and everything. Hello. How did I do, ma'am? Thank you. Say hello to the folks. Oh, excellent. Take care. Let's see now. How do we do, Gary? Read it out for us.
12 flat.
12 flat. 12 flat, folks. Oh my goodness. Reaction time, half second. It's okay. I was nervous as shit.
Yeah.
So I'm going to take that as a win. Wonderful. I don't know how in the world you're pulling. What'd you do, 1090 earlier?
Yep.
So the car is capable of 1090, folks. We did have it in safe mode because it's not mine, and we didn't want anything bad happening. So I greatly appreciate the opportunity.
So as you can see, the drag strip was a ton of fun for everybody else. Looked like a really great time. A lot of people got sunburned. And yeah, so we got back to the hotel, saw some other people, went out to eat, took a nap, went to the party at night, had a great time at the party. And then we woke up the next day and drove home. So we basically drove 5 hours to go to a party. But still a lot of fun, can't complain there. This is going to be a little bit of a wrap up once we got to the actual parking structure. And then I'll probably throw some party stuff in there here and there. And that'll be it for today. Well, guys, we have officially, finally made it. It has taken us all day. It feels like it really just sucks. So what ended up happening was we got a tow to a Goodyear shop, got some new Goodyear tires, which are rubbing on something in my wheel well, but we'll figure that out later. And I actually had to take my own wheels off with their tools and put my own wheels back on because my car was too low for them and they didn't want to mess it up. So we did that. And yeah, it has been one heck of a day, and we are ready for some food and some partying later.
Something to drink.
We're not even gonna go to the drag strip. We're just gonna hang out and check out this beautiful city that we've just arrived in. I mean, it is super cool. Some of the other guys are still here, it looks like. Car, and then over there, there's a big bridge, there's a big river, and this is our hotel next door. So hopefully we can see the car from the hotel. And yeah. So, I think this is going to be the last rally for the M3. It has had endless problems on rallies, so I think I'm just going to stick to co-piloting, and I can film more that way and not have to worry about my car exploding. So, with that being said, we're going to go in the hotel, and we'll catch up later. So, I appreciate you guys watching this video. I know it wasn't much. Obviously, I had planned for a much longer video at the drag strip, riding people's cars, etc., but for now, that's going to be it. And yeah, we'll see what happens. I don't know the next time I'll be drifting, but I will be trying to make some videos soon. So hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.